Guys, welcome back again to my channel. So on this particular video I want to be unboxing my video making kit. So I decided to put it on camera and I hope you guys enjoy it. So this is it. I don't know if you've seen this before. Video making kit. This is how it looks, right? This is what it looks like. The back. So let's unbox together, right? So let's dive right into it. I hope you can see me. It's beautiful, guys. I just love how it's been set and packed. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Can you see? So we have the light. Yes, the light. The mic. There's a cord. A remote control. iOS. Let me see it. Then I guess this is where you put your phone. Yeah. Then the holder itself. Okay. Let's unbox properly. So we're taking this out first. Alright. It uses battery. Battery. Hard. The cord. Testing. The mic. This, of course. And this to keep the phone either this way or this way. Okay. So now let's set it. Let's see. Okay. Here. This is how far it can stretch. Guys, I don't know if you can hear me. This is how far it can stretch. Look. Okay, how do we raise this up? And there's no manual inside, so we just have to do it on our own. I think. Yeah. So yeah, let's look. What else? You see what I'm doing? I'm using this to regulate how it goes down and up. So there's a knot in between here. So I guess this knot is for this. So I'm going to fix it in here. Yeah, that's not. I'll fix it in here. I hope it works. If it doesn't, we'll try it again. Okay, it worked. Yeah, but what else? So you can either do it this way. Okay. So this is how it's going to be, like this. So now, what else is there? You have to fix the light. Yeah, but it's not properly fixed well, so I have to lose it again and turn it the other way around because of this. This is where this is facing, which is wrong because the light can't go in here. It has to go in here. So we have to lose it. Have you tried this before? Doing something without installation? Sorry, without a plan, a manual rather. So this is it. It's facing up already. So I'm just using this, looking at this. After the stand itself, then we have the holder which carries the phone, but I can't put in the phone yet. Then the next thing is the light and the speaker. So this is what we have. Can we see? Okay, now the light. So this is where okay, this is where we're fixing it into here. So if you fix it that way, you leave it, it's going to fall off. So that's why there's a knot in between. So you have to lose it. Make sure to tie it properly to avoid it falling off. So here, we're getting there, guys. Yeah. So now we also have this here in the camera. I have it here. So depending on how you want to fix it, either like this, it's in 3 different places, rather 4, because we just used the 4th one. So now our mic. So our mic also came like this. So like we did earlier, you fix it in between. Hope you can see. So see, but if you leave it, it's going to fall off, right? So you have to tighten it with the knots. So Tested, tested. Hey guys, welcome back again. It's beautiful. It's very portable. It's meant for table, yeah. Then let me see. This regulates it to go back and front. So here you have it, guys. All set. Good. Okay. Yeah, we're not done. Remember this. This helps in the what's this called? The mic. Yeah. So hold on. So I'll fix this to, I'm trying to know the one that goes into the phone. And you fix this to the phone. Can we try? So guys, this is connected to the phone currently. So let's see if if the mic is effective. Then about the light, there's no battery yet. I'm going to get batteries outside, then I'll fix it in and voila. But because I'm using the ring lights behind, so there's no need for an extra light for now. So I just love the fact that this is battery. This uses battery because once there's no electricity, you can always run to this. Okay, let me see. I need it up a bit. Yep. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I'm not supposed to say that again. I'm supposed to talk about something else. Okay. So we are done unboxing and I hope you enjoyed our video. We're going to be seeing you in our next video. Yes, you and I. So I'm going to be seeing you guys in our next video. In my next video, guys. Thank you for joining in, and I'm sorry that this extended till this very time. It's way too long. But guys, thank you, and kindly click the subscribe button if you haven't, so as not to miss out on amazing content that you will learn from and will keep you relaxed. I will be seeing you in our next video. Bye for now.